Actually, we're going to be filming that street right there, right next to that building. And we got a pretty cool view of Rua de Campo. This is a main north-south fair. Campo means like fields. So back when Macau was more of a Portuguese city, the center part would have been more in this area. And then this road right here would have taken you basically into China, or basically into the fields. So Rua de Campo. So we are going to go, we're going to go down this way and then up that street right there. So stay tuned. Hey, check it out Macau 2023. Check out some more streets. Pretty cool, Rua de Campo. Looks like a wedding ceremony right there. So we're going to be going directly up that street. And yeah, that's, I don't know the history of that building, but we'll definitely focus on that briefly. So we're gonna head on down this way. That's the one that we were just on. Let's head on down. Yeah, actually that's interesting. That blue billboard has this one building that's like one of the only Dutch buildings in the whole city. And they've done that billboard. Right there. But of course this is our main focus, this beautiful one right here. And we're just going to be walking down this street. It's kind of a small little street called Travessa do Padre Soares. Let's just take a look at the building real quick. Balconies. Let's see if we can even look in here. It's a really nice little space. And I believe this is Rua de Campo, but down there is like Avenue de Praia Grande, so that would have been where the big beach road would have been at, and it would curve around this way. So this one would have been, I guess, on this fields street, Rua de Campo Street. Yeah, and actually that's the building right there. Pretty cool. Let me just kind of try to capture it from this angle here. Yeah, it's funny that that building, that Dutch building is up on that building, on that Union Pay. Okay, so what we're gonna do is kind of walk up that Target Street. Let's see. I think we have to walk on the sidewalk on the other side. If I can get away with it, I'll walk up this street until a car comes. That's our Target right there. That's that spot right there. Nice, beautiful. I was gonna check out this alley real quick as well. So this alley, I have filmed it before, but it's Rochedo. Okay, let's go back this way. It's like, I wonder if I can go into that one. So that's basically that building right there. So that's pretty cool, actually. You can capture some of the background buildings as well. Let's just kind of go in real quick. I don't know what's in here. Oh, it's actually a shoe keeper. Just gonna walk up here real quick and just see. There's actually something called shoe keeper right there. So it looks like there might be some shops in here. That one's probably for rent right there. I've never walked in here before. Year. Huh. That's cool. This is a little coffee shop that's no longer in business. Actually, be hard because I think it'd be you could have it in the daytime, but at nighttime. Oh. Okay. Huh. Dog. We basically just came right up there. It's an art studio right here. Art studio. Chiro. So I guess there's some businesses in here, including that one. Really cool. That's the coffee shop right there in the corner. I didn't even know this was up here. There's like a little 3D shop right there. The lighting. Huh. That is so cool. Didn't even know this was in here. Here's another business right here as well. So yeah, actually, I just thought this was an apartment building, but they got a business there that's closed, of course, and that one that's closed. Both of them are closed. And I guess you just enter in right through there. Really cool. That's wires. This place is wired up. Okay. Sometimes the battery died, so I decided to change the battery there. And we're gonna come right back up to our main street, our focus street, to this building right there. Kind of a really cool space. We're gonna keep on walking up for Asher. Actually, there's a place called Healer Bar right there as well. That's the Healer Bar right there. It's closed at the moment right there. And then we got another kind of cool building up here as well. Cool looking space. Okay. The cars could technically come around here as well. And this building is beautiful. Okay, so that's our street right there, Travessa de Padre Soares. I'm gonna come up to the top here. Then we're gonna give another view from here as well, because I'm just gonna come around, capture a little bit of this scenery. Then we're gonna go take a look at it from the other side. And this one has some kind of story too. I was reading about it, but I can't remember. It's a Baptist church, but they have a different facade. And that's our target street right down there. So pretty cool little space. And this place is always kind of cool too, that one right there. So we're gonna walk down that a little tiny bit. Now we can capture that one as well. I think this one is beautiful with the paint, of course. But this one right here is kind of cool too because of the architecture of that style. So let's capture it from this angle right here. And we'll also give you a little context too. So that's our target street right there, that little street. And before we go down, right over here is a Portuguese consulate as well. So that's a Portuguese consulate. You can see it right there. So that whole building right there. I think that also had some other stories too. It used to be different things in the past as well. Then it was donated or some situation. Wow, I haven't really seen that. Okay. Didn't see the way that is the rooftop up there looks pretty amazing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna end our street. If you go up this one, you go all the way up to the top of Calçada. It's Travessa da Calçada, I think, or Calçada de Monte. So there's a fortress up here, Monte Fortress, and it goes all the way up to the top there. But if you walk all the way up that way, you can get all the way up to the fortress. And then if you fortress, you can overlook Sao Paulo ruins. So it's all the way up in that area right there. Okay. So it's gonna come back here, then try to capture this whole space right here in that street. There we go. So that was our target street right there. It's called Travessa de Padre Soares. Hey, check it out, Macau 2023. Check out some more streets.